Students, welcome back to Asian History. It's Famosi coming back at you with more lessons today. We're going to be looking at push and pull factors. So as you look in your assignment called migration, push or pull, these are the activities that we're going to be getting to today and our directions. Here are our plans for today. Highlighted text indicates that you need to write and submit information to this assignment. Ensure you've completed all requirements in the what to submit section near the bottom. Participation will be rewarded for participating in class discussion if we do this lesson together, maybe on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. So you'll see with this lesson, we have a lot of yellow highlighted text here, so you will be needing to do a lot of writing that you will ultimately submit to this assignment. But as always, let's start with step one. Let's look at this image together. So step one is analyze and discuss this image as a class, which we will do. And we're looking at two very important things whenever we think about the broad scheme. All of these thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions of years of human history for human beings, Homo sapiens, being around and moving on this earth. In this picture, take a long look at this picture. This is push factors and pull factors. So maybe just take a few seconds, look at this on your own. Whenever I'm looking at a picture like this, what are they trying to tell me with this imagery, right? We have one finger pointing one way, and we have another finger pointing another way, or the opposite way as the first one. And so if we look at this, we break this down, we see push factors, factors that would push someone away from where they are living at the moment. And they've identified these as environmental, what's happening in your environment around you, or maybe with weather patterns, if you think about it as in maybe like natural disasters. Social, if you have groups in conflict with another, or there's some social norms that a group does not like. Economic, dealing with money, if you're not able to provide for yourself, if you don't have enough money to get by in the environment that you're in at that current moment, you might be encouraged to be pushed out of that area. Or political, who has power? Maybe a group of people who are in power are pushing another group of people out of that area. And some examples of this could be poverty, not having enough money, fear, fear of another group, fear of a more powerful group, disasters, natural disasters, hurricanes, tsunamis, and the like, unemployment, which would relate to an economic side. And then on the other hand, the thing that pulls people into a place, a pull factor. These could be things like safety, opportunity, stability, or freedom. And these are factors, obviously, these are going to pull people into an area. If you feel like you're safe, if you feel like there are opportunities around you, you are more willing to stay in that area. And these are also environmental, social, economic, or political. These are things that every person needs, whether it might be like shelter, whether it might be food, whether it might be freedom to express yourself or express your feelings, political rights. Are people treated as individuals to be equal to others in society? If that exists in an area, people are going to be likely to want to come to that area. In other words, they are likely to be pulled into that area. So what you're going to do next is I have a little activity. It's called migration, push or pull. And one note, you want to notify me once you've completed that assignment, just a short little assignment. That should be under class assignments in OneNote. And then you're going to complete one of the following activities. Just one, not both. It's going to be A or it's going to be B. The first option you have is I want you to find one picture for each of the following push or pull factors. It could be safety, opportunity, freedom, poverty, and fear. So you're going to want 5 pictures. Secondly, I want you to explain how each picture could lead a person to leave or migrate to another area. So I need 5 pictures and then 5 explanations. That would be your first option. Second option, you could answer this prompt. Out of all of the push and pull factors, which one factor do you believe has the greatest influence when deciding where people live? Your response must be in complete sentences, which is worth 5 points. Have a clear thesis or a central argument, which means that you are saying, this is my opinion, here are the facts and details to back it up, and this is ultimately what I believe. So you want to have a clear thesis, which is worth 10 points, and then you're going to use 2 or 3 facts or reasons to support your thesis. So build an argument, and then you have to support that argument with some type of fact or reason. And then what you submit is notify me once you've completed the OneNote assignment, and then submit your choice of 3A or 3B. And that will be it for that activity. Just 2 really short activities that you have to do for this lesson. I hope this helped you out. If you need anything, please feel free to message me in Teams, and I'd be happy or more than happy to help you out. Have a great day.